Looking for a flawless at-home manicure? What if you could skip the salon visit and still achieve that glass-like gel finish? Well, Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails are your next go-to for effortless nails that impress. If you've ever struggled with finding the right press-on nails that stay in place and look chic, this might just be your solution. Kiss, a global leader in professional beauty products, has made it incredibly easy to get that just left the salon look in the comfort of your own home. The Kiss Gel Fantasy nails come in a variety of bold, glossy, and solid colors. And today we're diving into their Jelly Queen black, short-sized, oval-shaped set. These nails aren't your typical press-ons. The Gel Fantasy Jelly Color nails come with a high-gloss gel-like finish that's smooth as glass, offering that perfect shine we all want in a manicure. When it comes to the formula, these nails are durable, flexible, and super easy to apply. In fact, you can expect a sleek, salon-quality look for up to 7 days without any chips or peeling. Now let's talk about the experience. The application is incredibly straightforward. Each kit includes 28 nails, 2 grams of gel nail glue, a mini nail file, and a manicure stick, so you've got everything you need right in the box. The press-ons are designed to fit your nails precisely and are customizable in shape and size, giving you that tailored feel without a salon visit. I found the glue to be quite effective. The Super Hold Pink Gel Glue does its job of keeping the nails securely in place. In fact, after a few days of wear, I can confidently say these nails held up well through daily activities like typing, cooking, and even light cleaning. That's one of the biggest selling points here, the long-lasting hold. The flexibility and durable design mean these nails are less likely to bend or break compared to other options on the market. But as with any product, there are a few things to consider. While the nails themselves look flawless, they do feel a little bulkier than a salon gel manicure, especially if you're used to super thin nails. And while they are easy to apply, you'll want to make sure that you've got the right sizing before you start gluing them down. Not all press-on kits come with a wide range of sizes, but Kiss's option here has 28 nails, offering enough variety to suit different nail shapes. In terms of value, this kit comes at a reasonable price. Considering the ease of use, the impressive longevity, and the professional quality results, it feels like a solid investment. Plus, you're getting an all-in-one kit, so there's no need to buy additional nail products unless you want to customize them even more. When comparing these to other press-on nails, Kiss Gel Fantasy nails definitely hold their own in terms of finish and wear time. While other brands may offer cheaper alternatives, I'd say Kiss's superior quality and longer-lasting results justify the slightly higher price tag. Now for alternatives. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, some drugstore brands offer decent press-ons that may not last quite as long, but can give you a similar aesthetic at a fraction of the cost. However, if you're seeking durability and a salon-quality finish, Kiss is the way to go. To wrap it up, Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails in Jelly Queen are an excellent option for anyone looking to skip the salon while still getting that flawless manicure. The impressive high-gloss finish, long wear, and ease of application make it a top choice for press-on nails. Whether you're a newbie to press-ons or a seasoned pro, this kit will elevate your nail game. So if this review has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing honest and detailed reviews to you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.